You cannot protect what you do not track.
We've got cybersecurity covered. We only use the basics.
Covered? You didn't even know these were here.
Old laptops, unknown apps, shared passwords, and vendor access can all become security gaps. You cannot patch what you do not know exists.
I thought updates handled all that automatically.
Only for the software you actually know about.
Forgotten software can stay outdated, vulnerable, and ready for attackers to use. You cannot recover quickly without a plan.
Who do we call? Where's the backup? Is payroll affected?
This is why we write the plan before the raccoon hits the fan.
Recovery plan helps your business respond faster when something goes wrong. A cyber ops source assessment helps identify what is installed, what is risky, and what needs to go.
Now that makes sense.
Track it, patch it, plan for it.
Think your business knows every app running on its systems? Schedule a Cyber Ops Source cybersecurity assessment today. Cyber Ops Source, secure today, resilient tomorrow.